Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can calculate depreciation on assets. There are two types of depreciations, draft and final. Draft means system will create depreciation, but that is not final. You can have the look and feel of the depreciation, how system has calculated on assets. Now, click on hamburger or navigator. Click on fixed assets. Click on task list. Now click on add asset. Now select the category ERPZEN buildings. Now select the minor category. Click on OK. Write the description. Say depreciation. Now cost is $70,000. Sorry, rupees. Now select the expense account. Select the GL account code combination and hit OK. Select the location. Click on search. Say OK. Click on next. Say asset number 1074. Give asset key information. Click on OK. Now say save, save and close. Now select the record. Click on actions. Click on edit. Now say submit. Now select ready to post. Select the record. Click on post all. The asset additions are submitted. Let us go to scheduled process to review the job. Click on tools, scheduled process. Click on refresh. Already it has been successfully completed. Now go to asset inquiry. Click on asset inquiry. Now the asset number is 1074. Say this is the asset. If you see, there is no depreciation for this. Now we will calculate the depreciation for this asset. Click on navigator. Go to fixed assets, say assets, click on assets. Click on depreciation. Now if you see, there are two types of depreciations. Calculate depreciation means that is the draft depreciation, and close period means system will calculate the depreciation for the current period and it will be permanently closed. Once you accidentally close the period, you cannot reopen the period. Now click on calculate depreciation. Now system has submitted one job. Let us review that. Click on tools, scheduled processes. Click on refresh. Calculate depreciation is successfully completed. Now let us review the depreciation which was calculated by system. Click on navigator. Click on fixed assets. Click on asset inquiry. Search with your asset number 1074. Click on search. Now if you click on depreciation, system has calculated the depreciation amount is 388.89 for the period June 24 to 28. This is how you can calculate the draft depreciation. Click on home. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.